We are going to interpret the next second sloka in Parashurama Kalpa Sutra, Siddhanta Pradipadanam. Means it is mentioning the Siddhantam of the Tantra, mentioning the tattvas, concepts of the Srividya.
Om Namah Bhagavan Paramashiva Bhattaraga Shrutyadhishtadasha Vidya Sarvani Darshanani Leelaya Tattadavasthavanna Praniya Samminmaya Bhagavatya Bhairavya Swatma Bhinnaya Prishta Panjabhi Mukhay Panjamnayan Paramartha Samsara Bhudan Praninaya.
Bhagavan Paramashiva Bhattaraga. Bhattaraga means the supreme sovereign, supreme administrator, the emperor of the universe. He is doing the Panchakrityam, Panchakritya Parayanaye Nama. By the support of Devi, he is doing the all creation and maintenance of the universe, sustaining of the universe, and destroying the universe and return back and blessings. Panchakritya Parayanaya Nama. Srishtitiri Samhara Tirodhanam Anugraham. That's he is calling Bhattaraga. Devi is also, she is also Bhattaraga. He is the generator of the all knowledge. He is the base of all knowledge. If somebody come to connected with the touch with the awareness, then only he can understand the knowledge. He is getting the knowledge. All knowledge is coming from the meditative level of a person. The scientists, the whole scientists experience the same thing when they are in the sleeping, in between the time of wake up and sleeping. That time they got many ideas. Through the thinking it is not coming. When we will stop and calm, in meditative mode, it will automatically come out. The idea, like a bulb, shining a bulb. That is Vijnanamaya Kosha, stimulation of Vijnanamaya Kosha. It leads to the happiness of Anandamaya Kosha. That is actually, that knowledge is a reflection of Anandamaya Kosha, Parabhattaraga Shiva. From the faces of the Shiva, that base of the all knowledge is Shiva. So Shakti is asking actually. Most of the tantric texts are written in the form of the question is asking by the Bhairavi. The answer is coming from the face of Bhairava, Shiva, Parabhattaraga Shiva. This is also the same. The Devi is asking actually. Then the Kalpa Sutra, all knowledge is coming. 5 faces of the Shiva. That is Sadhyojadan, Vamadevan, Akhoran, Tatpurushan, Ishanan. These are different frequencies of the awareness actually. In each and every frequencies are generating some kind of knowledge. 18 types of knowledge. Shrutyadhishtadasha Vidya is coming from Vedas, Shruti. Vedas are the base of all knowledge. Vedas means the Purusha of the Veda. Purusha is actually the Shiva. So actually the whole knowledge of Veda is coming from Shiva or Purusha. This awareness, this consciousness, all the base of the knowledge is consciousness. When a person can be conscious, the diseases, mental diseases are vanishing. The consciousness, the rise of the consciousness is the correct achievement of a person. The correct knowledge of the person, not a bookish knowledge. Tantra we cannot learn through the books. This is a reference actually. We have to learn through the practice and rise the awareness, the Shiva, and control the Shakti, then the karmas will work as per our favor. Through the 5 phases, the all knowledge came. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda, Uttaramimamsa, Vedanta, Upanishads, and Puranas, and Dhanurvedam, Ayurvedam, the Upavedas, Niriptam, Kalpam, Jyotisham, everything, astrology, the great art forms, everything started from the knowledge. Knowledge is Shiva, the consciousness. These knowledge are basically working in the form of Shakti. If you sing a song, actually working is the yoginis, the vibrational fields in our mind. These vibrational fields are yoginis. It is calling Vidya, Madangi Vidya, Rajashyama Vidya, or Varahi Vidya, Sri Vidya. It is knowledge actually. It is vibrational field which is coming from the awareness. These outer Vidyas of the music or art forms or our other knowledge is dealing by the yoginis, vibrational field, positive or negative. It is dealing by the Sankhya Yoga of the mathematics of the compounding of three, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. Yoginis, our vibrational fields are three types, Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. These are dealing this kind of all knowledge. Who is dealing the different thousands of the yoginis, that is Shiva. Each phases of the Shiva, each frequencies of the Shiva. Mainly there are 5 frequencies, 4 directions and top. So these directions are frequency, these phases are frequencies of the awareness. That is 5 phases of Shiva. The Sadhyojadan, he is the east director of the yoginis and giving the knowledge, all knowledge of this from east side. Sadhyojadan, Vamadevan, the back side is Aghoran. In that frequency, who can enter that frequency, attain that frequency, they are calling Aghoris of Shiva, the wearing the ashes and naked. They are in that level, the real Aghoris actually. So that is east, that is Sadhyojadan, Vamadevan, Aghoran, Tatpurushan, and top side that is Ishanan, the Parabrahma. That is Urdhvamnayam. Purvamnayam, Dakshinamnayam, Paschimamnayam, Uttaramnayam, Urdhvamnayam. The Urdhvamnayam is actually the Samayacharam. Everybody is saying our system is Urdhvamnayam. What is Urdhvamnayam? Urdhvamnayam is the worshipping level of Sahasrara. Every system is coming in particular level, it will tend to Urdhvamnayam. Samayacharam actually. Tamasic people can start from Mooladhara. Most of the people are Tamasic. How to evoke the awareness? That is the question. By the activation of Parabhattaraka Shiva. Actually, each and every chakra, the center portion is Shiva. The outer portion is Shakti. This is the Siddhanta Pratipadanam. Actually, the Siddhanta is coming from the face of the great consciousness Shiva. The first disciple, Devi, is Bhairavi, is hearing the all knowledge from Shiva. For this is the gratification of the murtis, deities. It will help. When we face many difficulties in our life which are not in our hand, this kind of gratification of the Devi will help that this figure can accumulate more energy and give more protection, more effective energy field will happen there. The best is Kaula for them. The Kaula methods, many methods are very fantastic. They have to follow, then come to meditation, free from weakness, and come to meditation and come to Sahasrara, Samayachara, and get enlightenment. That is the procedure. That is the procedure of Misrachara. Using all kind of techniques as per the people, as per the desire of the people. Tamasic, Rajasic, Sattvic.